Hey guys, it's Jess and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little hectic but still productive, so I hope you guys enjoy it. We've got some cleaning and cooking and meal prepping to do. This video is going to be a series of 2 videos, so it's not so long, but I hope you guys like this. Gives you some cleaning motivation and some inspiration to prep some things so our week goes by as smoothly as it can. I hope you guys enjoy. Now I'm going to get to chopping up all of our vegetables. We've got a bunch of bell peppers that I got for omelets this week because I have been really loving omelets lately. And I love to have bell peppers in them. It just so happened that bell peppers were on sale this week. So I just went ahead and got every color because I figured it would make for a really pretty omelet. And here's everything ready and prepped. These are my 2 omelet containers, and then this is for unstuffed pepper soup this week. These will be for fajitas or a stir fry, and I've got some zucchini back here for stir fry. So I know it's a lot of containers, and I took this out of a container to put it in another container, but this is all about convenience. I can just get these 2 out of a morning to make my omelet. And then when we're ready to make soup or stir fry or fajitas, we can just get this container out and pull out a couple. So this is all just to hopefully make our week go by a lot smoother and have really easy, ready vegetables to add to any meal. Now that we've got a couple things done and these prepped for the week, we're going to go ahead and get started on breakfast. I wanted something special for breakfast, so we're having chocolate chip pancakes and home fries and sausage links and scrambled eggs. I'm also making iced coffee because I feel like it just gets me ready and hyped up for my day. So let's go ahead and get cooking, and we'll get back to all the meal prepping and cleaning after we get done with breakfast. And here's our breakfast finished. It was so good, and it even makes it better when I can take it back to bed. We're going to take a really quick break from cleaning and go out town and grab some things for dinner tonight, and also to meal prep with. I have some stuff in the freezer that I'm going to get out and use, but we do need to go to the store and pick up a couple things. Okay, our first place we're stopping is Aldi. We're going to run in here and see about a couple items to see if it's cheaper than Kroger, and what we don't get here, we'll finish up at Kroger. So, let's go. This is a quarter of our groceries. We got some pizzas, half and half, some strawberries, a thing of cream cheese, and then some wonton wrappers to go in the freezer, along with, and then we got some Premier Protein shakes. We got vanilla, chocolate, and strawberries and cream. Michael really likes these. I only ever use them really as maybe like coffee creamer. I don't like the taste of these just by themselves. But we got some of these to put up and put a couple in the fridge when we need them. And now I'm just seasoning up our chicken breast. I put paprika on here, garlic powder and onion powder, and now I'm just putting salt and pepper to taste on it. This is always my go-to seasoning, and we really, really like it. So I use one of my hands for a dry hand so I can handle the spices, and then another one to turn over the chicken breast, and at the end you can kind of flip them all over if you want to. I'm going to let this set for a minute, and then we're going to take it out to the grill. We've got our chicken out here, our grill is hot, and we're just gonna go ahead and put all this on here. And now we're going to start on our Philly cheesesteak meal prep. We're going to start by sauteing some onions and peppers and mushrooms, and we're going to put some seasonings on those, take them out of the pan, and then brown our ground beef. The first part of our meal prep is done. We've got some burger patties, just chicken breast grilled, and then our Philly cheesesteak that's going to go over top of rice. So tomorrow we'll finish it up and get everything in the fridge. Good morning, guys. We're gonna go make some breakfast and then get back at cleaning some stuff up and hopefully making a little bit of a difference. For breakfast, all I've got is yogurt. I put some vanilla in it and a tablespoon of powdered sugar with some chocolate chips and chopped up strawberries. The first time I ate this, I wasn't a fan of it, but now I really like it. So I've ate this for the past couple days. Hey guys, if you're confused about all the outfit changes, because I think so far there's been like 3 outfits in this video, it's because this video has taken me 3 days to do. I am trying to get things in order. This has been like months on top of months trying to get it done, and I am trying to get it out of the way. So we are tidying up, we're continuing tidying up, and we're going to finish up our meal prep, so we'll have it ready for this week. And maybe make this week a little less busy with having to worry about lunches and stuff. So we're going to start by focusing on this mess and trying to get the majority of it put up before we start our meal prepping or finish our meal prepping, and hopefully kind of do it at the same time. So I'll try to organize it the best I can so it's not so back and forth on you. But right now we are going to focus on this room and try to get things put up and organized. Literally a whole basket of unmatched socks. I don't know how this happens. So this is all the laundry on my floor. I'm gonna pile this up and take it into the laundry room and get started. Here is our current clothes situation. I've got pants, shorts, jeans over here that I need to fold up with some robes peeking out from under there. Got a good pile of clothes here that needs to be hung up, put on hangers. A few shirts over there, and then I've got some shirts hang drying right there. Some more on my closet, and then more over here in my doorway. We've cleaned up the floor. Of course, we still have this bunch of socks that I can't find mates for, and then a shirt that's air drying over my laundry basket. But at least our floor looks a little bit better. So I'm gonna cut this video off here because I don't want to get So I'm going to cut this video off here so it doesn't get so long, but I am going to film a part 2 to finish up all the cleaning and meal prep I've got to do. I'm super excited for you guys to see these recipes, so I hope you guys watch it. But thank you guys so much for spending some time with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed all the motivation, and I'll see y'all in the next one.